Hi, I'm Dean Jansen from the home improvement television series Home Time.
And I'm Miriam Johnson.
If you've shopped around for water treatment products and services, I'm sure you've been amazed at the wide variety of treatment technologies available and performance claims.
It seems like there's always some new gadget that promises to be a better alternative than traditional technologies and deliver better water quality with little to no maintenance, like attaching magnets to your pipes or wrapping wires around them.
Even quote-unquote saltless softeners that require no maintenance. Most of these devices seem to disregard the laws of science and physics and have difficulty backing up their claims when they're tested by independent third parties. Having been in home building and remodeling for over 30 years, I've seen a lot of crazy things, and I'm here to encourage you to do your homework. If it sounds too good to be true, well, it probably is. No technology can fix every water problem, and the most effective water treatment methods are those that have been in place and proven over decades of use and application. So where can you turn when you have questions about claims that just seem too good to be true? First, it's important to understand all of your treatment options so you know the choices that are available to you and can make an educated decision. Look for independent reviews and research customer feedback by checking online or talking to friends and family that have water treatment systems. You can also contact the Water Quality Association and NSF International for technology overviews and independent test results. Now don't forget that if you have any questions about your water quality and effective ways to improve it, you can always call your local Connecticut water professional. Connecticut knows water. After all, they've been testing it and treating it for more than 40 years. I should know. I've been a loyal Connecticut customer for more than 15 years myself.